In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Calendly API. Whether you're looking to integrate Calendly's scheduling capabilities into your own apps or automate your booking process, understanding how to navigate the Calendly API is essential. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Calendly account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up. Logging in is straightforward. Visit the Calendly website and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your main dashboard, where you typically manage your meeting types and availability. From here, let's proceed to the Integrations and Apps section. This is the area where you can connect Calendly with other applications and tools that are part of your workflow, making it a vital part of maximizing productivity. In the Integrations and Apps hub, you need to locate and select the API and webhooks or API and connectors option. This brings you to a section that provides tools for building custom integrations that leverage Calendly's API. If you're new to APIs, don't worry. This area is designed to be user-friendly, with guides and documentation available to help you understand what each option means and how it works. Now, let's generate a new token, which is a key step in accessing the Calendly API. Look for the button that says Generate New Token or Get a Token. Tokens are essentially a set of credentials that authorize access to the API. Think of it like a special key that unlocks the door to Calendly's data and functions from outside the normal interface. Once you've clicked to generate a new token, you'll be prompted to provide a name for it. Naming your token is important for tracking purposes, especially if you plan to use multiple tokens for different projects. Keep the naming simple but descriptive, so it's easy to identify later on. After naming the token, proceed by clicking Create Token. This action finalizes the token creation process. With your token ready, the next critical step is to copy it and store it securely. This token is a sensitive piece of data as it provides access to your Calendly account. You want to ensure it's kept private and secure, much like you would a password. Saving it in a password manager, for example, can help ensure it's both secure and accessible to you when needed. And there you have it. A quick yet thorough guide on using the Calendly API. With your token securely stored, you're now ready to start integrating Calendly's powerful scheduling capabilities into your projects. This opens up a world of possibilities, from simple automations to sophisticated integrations, significantly enhancing how you manage time and appointments.